Hey guys, I'm REDGEAR from Tech Insider India, and in my hand is the REDGEAR A15 gaming mouse. So to begin with, there are a bunch of nice things about this mouse. So right from the packing, you can see that it has a semi-honeycomb design on the bottom of the mouse. Then you have 7 programmable buttons, a DPI range of 1000 to 6400, and a response of 125 Hz. So let's quickly unbox this and check out what's on the inside. And here's our first look. It looks like a species from a different planet. It has a very interesting design to it, very angular, and I like the way it feels in my hand as well. This honeycomb thing really helps, especially when you have a palm grip. If you have a claw grip, then also it will help to a certain extent, but for palm grip users, this is pretty good. At the bottom also, you have a really interesting metallic texture. So you have the pads over here, but then this particular thing, it's gonna last for a while. You also have these 2 buttons that let you cycle through different DPI settings, and then over here, these are the programmable buttons that you can use in order to do different kinds of macros in a game. And then these are your left and right clicks. This is your scroll wheel, which is very soft. I like it's clicky and soft at the same time, and then you can also press it down for a click. Now let's quickly plug this into a laptop and check out how the RGB lighting looks. So there you go, really pretty looking LED lights, and this honeycomb maze makes it look even more interesting. You can cycle through different settings with the help of these buttons, and there's also a proprietary software that you can download from the website. And finally, let's touch upon this, the braided cable. This ensures good durability for long periods of time, so you don't have to worry about rolling your gaming chair on top of this or tugging it a little too much. It's going to sustain everything that you put at it. And that was a quick unboxing of the REDGEAR A15 gaming mouse. I really hope you found this video useful, and thank you.
Hi everyone, today we are going to unbox the REDGEAR RGB gaming mouse A15. Here's the box with me, and on the front you can see there's an image of the mouse itself, and it also says that this mouse has 1.8 meters cable length, braided fiber cable, LED RGB lighting, DPI range from 1000 to 6400. Over here, the different parts of the mouse have been specified, like the right button, left button, middle button or scroll wheel, DPI shift button, forward button and backward button. At the bottom, you will find the basic retail information together with the customer care details, so you can reach out to them in case you face any problem while using this mouse. So that was all about the box. I will take out the product now. This is the RGB gaming mouse by REDGEAR. The color variation that I have over here is black. It's light in weight, it has an ergonomic design, it's compact and handy. You can use this mouse with both your hands, right and left. The hold is comfortable. Now talking about the buttons, the left mouse button, the right mouse button, the scroll wheel, the DPI changing buttons, all feel very smooth and comfortable. It also has a forward and backward button at the side. Now if you look at this design and the white border of the scroll wheel and the gap over here, they will all start shining after you attach this mouse to your system because of the RGB lighting. So it will enhance your gaming experience for sure. Now at the back, this is an optical sensor. Talking about the cable, this mouse has fiber braided cable, so it will not tangle for sure. It looks quite long, so you can be free and you can move freely while using this mouse, and it has a USB interface which will connect this mouse to your system. So that was all about the unboxing of the RGB gaming mouse by REDGEAR. For more videos like this, stay tuned.
Hey guys, I'm REDGEAR from Tech Insider India, and here's a quick overview of the REDGEAR A15 gaming mouse. First, let's start off with the design. The A15 features a super stylish design with angular lines and semi-honeycomb patterns. The patterns just aren't there for looks, but they also aid in having a better grip. Now let's talk about the specifications of this gaming mouse. The A15 is driven by a 6400 dpi gaming grade optical sensor. This means that not only do you get a smooth and precise experience, but you can also make quick movements and razor sharp reflexes. The A15 also comes with some gamer friendly features. Apart from the scroll wheel, left and right buttons, it also has 2 programmable buttons and 2 buttons to set the DPI of the mouse. The Redgear A15 is also very stylish. That's because it has an LED backlit body. You can choose from various LED presets through the proprietary gaming software on the Redgear website. Connecting to the A15 is also very simple. All you have to do is insert the USB plug inside your PC. It is easy and ready to play. And that was a quick overview of the Redgear A15 gaming mouse. I really hope you found this video useful, and thanks for watching.
Presenting Redgear A15 wired gaming mouse for Windows PC gamers. The mouse comes with a semi-honeycomb design and is equipped with customizable RGB mode. The Redgear A15 wired gaming mouse offers maximum personalization with its software to accurately fit your gaming needs. This gaming mouse is equipped with multi-programmable buttons to offer a smooth gaming experience. The Redgear A15 offers you a change of up to 6400 dpi. It comes with a gaming-grade sensor for quick movements and reflexes. There are extra durable switches and enhanced build quality to increase the durability of the mouse. The mouse comes with a wired connectivity. Redgear A15 is compatible with PCs, laptops, notebooks and other devices with a similar input. The box contains one A15 mouse. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.
Hey gamers, if you are looking for a gaming mouse for yourself, well then recently I got my hands on this gaming mouse by Redgear, and trust me, I am quite impressed. Hi everyone, I am Vinita and today we will be talking about the Redgear RGB gaming mouse, model name A15. Now talking about the body and design of Redgear gaming mouse, here's the gaming mouse with me, and the color variation that I have over here is black. Now this mouse is lightweight and it has a beautiful matte finish throughout. It has a semi-honeycomb design, so it will be very comfortable to hold, plus you can use this mouse with both your hands. Now the left mouse button, the right mouse button, the scroll wheel all feel really smooth and comfortable. On the top we are also provided with this button to change the DPI of this mouse. Now if you go on the other side, you will find 2 more buttons. This is a forward button and this is a backward button. And on the top over here you will see the RGB lighting effect which will enhance your gaming experience. At the bottom you will find an optical sensor. Now talking about the cable, it has 1.8 meters long braided cable, so you can move freely while using this mouse because of the length of the cable. Since it's braided, it's tangle free, the quality looks very good and strong. It has a USB interface which goes into your system and connects this gaming mouse to your system. So overall, the body and design of this gaming mouse by Redgear looks quite durable. Moving towards the features and performance of the RGB gaming mouse by Redgear, as I've already told you, this mouse comes with the RGB lighting feature, but the best part about this lighting feature is it's customizable. Also, you can change the DPI of this mouse with the help of the button which is provided on the top. The DPI range of this gaming mouse is from 1000 to 6400. Now at the bottom you will find the gaming grade sensor which will give you quick movements and reflexes. Overall, the body of this mouse is very strong, suitable for gaming. So if you are looking for a gaming mouse, then you don't have to go anywhere else. Just go for this.
Hey guys, today we are taking a look at Redgear A15 RGB gaming mouse. We will be taking a look at how to connect this mouse to your gaming PC or laptop and how the LED lights on this mouse works. So the bottom of the mouse has this metal plate which increases the sturdiness, and this mouse comes with 1.8 meters of cable length, which is a braided fiber cable. This mouse has a DPI range of 1000 to 6400. It has RGB LED lights, and once you connect it to your PC or laptop, the mouse LEDs will come on. Now the top two buttons on this mouse controls the lighting effects as seen here. Upon pressing the mouse, the LED lights change and the lighting effects also change, so that you can place the light or LED effects whichever you want according to your need. So that's it for this tutorial video, guys. Please try this mouse, and thank you so much for watching this video.